All the dirt from sitting out on the ground. Junkyard glitter. Well, we was tearing apart the 5.3 here with a Monte Carlo, and we got to a stopping point. We do not have a puller to get the balancer off. And he has this screen that I believe is a Speedmaster screen for an LS pan. And it does not fit worth a crap. It does not fit the block right. The hole will not line up while it's sitting on this stud, but if you pick that up and you move it, that's where it lines up there, and that is where it is at over here. So obviously that's not going to fit right. It's a little dark in here. There's the stud, there's that, and then look at the screen. Look at how angled that is. That's the screen. It should be like that. You know, the pan he bought was a Moroso pan. I can tell. It fit fine. Usually you never have any problems with Moroso stuff. It's good quality stuff, and everything I've used is Moroso. That should fit his chassis better because it's more flat here and then goes down. Pan on it kind of went like this, started trailing down, and the rack is right there. It will not work. We got all the pistons out, rods out, all that good stuff. And like I was showing there earlier, most of them are scratched on the skirts. That one ain't as terrible as some of them are. And that one's kind of scratched. That one is a little bit too. It's got that coating on it. It should be hyper-eutectic pistons. I think number 1 was about the worst one. Yeah, you can see the scratches in it. Like I said, that's usually, in my experience, working on engines, that it's been run low on oil. He was thinking about buying some forged pistons and putting in it. Do you know he got ARP rod bolts? I think he was wanting to get some studs or bolts or whatever they sell for the mains. Here's the cylinder heads. Haven't really checked them out too good yet, but 799 is upside down. You see the valves don't look too bad. I don't know if he's planning on doing a valve job or not. That cylinder was clean for some reason. He said why, I don't remember. Well, the spark plug was gone out of it or something. But when we tore it apart too, some of the parts, that's one of those DOD lifters, and it's collapsed. And that was on that cylinder, it was clean. The rest of them you can see, and the spring is not collapsed. There you can see the difference. He has a different cam and lifters that he wanted to put in it. I don't know the specs on them. It's not my engine. You can see it's an aluminum block. I want to say 04, 05. I think that's what year it is. You can see the cylinders look pretty good. We did check the ring gap. It's 30 thousandths. I guess if he was going to turbo it, it would be fine. He wouldn't have to file on them. I don't know. I don't think his plans are to do that. Might be, he's wanting to use some nitrous on it. He took it apart to check it out, and he's wanting to put rings and bearings in it, and a cam. We could put cam bearings in it too. Got those. As we progress further on this, we'll have some more. Maybe one of these days it'll be in the car, and you can see it going down the track. I got the block tore apart, pretty much stripped down. It needs a good cleaning now. Cranks out, bearings are out, get the cam bearings out. This needs a good cleaning, and a cylinder honing, and then we'll start sticking it back together. There's the crankshaft. No spun bearings, looked alright. Bouncer off, front plate and the rear plate. There's the camshaft that was in it. One thing I thought was weird, it has that little deal on the back there. I don't know if you can scan that with your phone or not, but got some numbers on it. Whatever those mean. But it wasn't flaking. I mean, the cam bearings were a little more. Other than that, everything looked alright in it, usable, except for maybe the pistons. I think he's going to get some different pistons because they're scratchy. There's some of the bearings, mostly dirt on it. Get something cleaned off with. They look alright. No brass on those. Cam bearings was worse. Definitely brass on those. We got some wear. They going bye-bye. Look out and did on the floor. We got some new ones here. They clean block up, that back in. Bearings in, clean her up, good to go. You got the cam dynamics cam he's going to put in it. Here's the specs on it. 500 lift, duration and a half, 224, 230, 112 lobe centers. Not going too wild on it. So. Over here he has some parts. There's the lifters. Bolt, head bolts apparently, got some rod bolts, lifter holders, whatever special name those are called. And we've got some rod main bearings, rings. Yep, just need to get get it cleaning.